viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So in this video we are going to connect our Coinbase wallet with new platform where you can easily get the passive earning. Means if you want to stake, if you want to bridge, so this video is going to very informative for you. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So if you want to get the more information about MetaMask, simple go to my YouTube channel, click on playlist option, and then you will find playlist of MetaMask, and where you can get the all information about the MetaMask wallet. So you can see here there is many playlists is available here where you can get the all information about cryptocurrency wallets. Okay, and you can see here the playlist of MetaMask wallet available here. Just simple click on it, and after that you can get the all information about MetaMask. So now we are going to start our video, and you can see here right top corner MetaMask is shown in front of me. First I need to log in. If we need to connect any DApp application, so first I'm going to enter my password here and then unlock. Now you can see here my wallet is open in front of me, and this time by default select the OP network. So I need to select the Ethereum mainnet because this is a by default network in this wallet. So now we are going to open CoinJacko because I need to find the network of Astar. CoinJacko cryptocurrency is shown here. Simple is that this is the official website of cryptocurrency, charts, price and news. Now the Bitcoin price is $40,999 this time. And it's maybe if the Bitcoin break 40,700, so maybe Bitcoin more fall toward 32k. But I'm not giving any financial advice, I just give to my opinion. And the Ethereum price is $2,400. So let's start the topic about our new platform. That's name is Star. The price is 19 cent only, and the 28% up last 7 days. If I'm going to click on it, so you can see here the main page is open in front of me where we can get the all information about Star. And you can see here the price is 19 cent. If you want to get the information all time high, simple click on maximum, and the project is launched almost 7 February 2022, and the price is up last 4 to 5 months, almost 5 to 6 months. Now price is 19 cent. So it depends on you if you want to buy this coins. We can get the use these exchanges like Binance, Gate.io, Bitbank, Toko Crypto. Big name is available here. So I need to connect this wallet with our platform. You can see here the top right left side Astar Network is available here, the official website. And now the website is open in front of me. Accept the cookies. You can also contact us with the mail, and you can see here welcome to Astar Network, 50 plus DApp, 500k community members, and roadmap is also available here. You can read recommended for reading, tokenization, welcome to Astar, and explore the ecosystem, multi-chain smart contracts, build to earn, Web 2, Web 3. Big information is available here. If you want to need to get, so you just simple open the website. So I need to collect over wire, simple click to launch app. Now the portal Astar Network. Astar. Yes, you can see here there the wallet is available here. MetaMask, one key, Testman, sub wallet. So I need to connect my MetaMask wallet with this. So simple is that. Just click on MetaMask. After connect your MetaMask wallet, you can see here your right side and D app staking bridge ecosystem. Let's suppose you want to stake. Simple click on D app, and then the D app will be open front of you, where you can stake your coin. But it's depend on you. I'm not giving to any financial advice. You want if you want to connect, that you can find and you can complete your search. You can see here my staking reward is available here. Turn on, total stake, estimated reward. Many information is available here. TVL. It's depend on you if you want to stake your coin. And if you want to use a bridge, simple click on bridge option, and then Celsius Ethereum bridge. Let's suppose Clear bridge. Simple click on it, and then you can see here the open new link, and after that you can connect your wallet and you can easily bridging one coin to other coins. This option is available here. Connect a wallet. You can use same scenario. Simple click on MetaMask, and after that your wallet connect, and then you can change your one coin to other chains. Let's suppose you want to select Ethereum mainnet and you want to convert in BNB chain. Simple enter amount, and after that you can easily bridge your coin one chain to other chain. So guys, I hope you properly understand how can you connect your MetaMask wallet this platform. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallet. So we will meet with you in new video. Bye bye.